If you need to send money internationally in 2026, MoneyGram is still one of the most popular services in the world because honestly, it combines online transfers, bank deposits, mobile wallets, and cash pickup locations in more than 200 countries and territories. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use MoneyGram in 2026 step by step for beginners. First, create your MoneyGram account. Go to the official MoneyGram website or download the MoneyGram app. Then create an account. Enter your personal information, verify your identity if required. This usually only takes a few minutes. Now, let's send your first transfer. Open the app or website and select Send Money. Then enter the destination country, the amount you want to send, and how the recipient will receive the money. MoneyGram typically offers bank account deposits, cash pickup, and in some countries, mobile wallet transfers. Now, choose your payment method. Depending on your country, you may be able to pay using bank account debit, card, credit card, or other local payment methods. After that, review the fees and exchange rate before confirming the transfer. Now let's talk about cash pickup, because this is one of MoneyGram's most popular features. If you select cash pickup, the recipient can visit a participating MoneyGram location, show valid identification, and receive the money. You'll receive a reference number that you should share with the recipient. Now let's talk about bank transfers, because this option is often cheaper. In this case, the money is deposited directly into the recipient's bank account. You'll need the recipient's full name, account information, and sometimes additional banking details depending on the country. Now, another useful feature: tracking transfers, because after sending money, you can track the status directly from the app or website. This allows you to see when the transfer is processing, available, or completed. Now, something very important: always double-check the recipient's information, because mistakes in names or account details can cause delays and may be difficult to correct after the transfer has been processed. Now let's talk about fees, because many beginners ask about this. MoneyGram fees vary depending on the country, the amount, the payment method, and how the recipient receives the money. Bank deposits are often cheaper than cash pickup, while card payments may cost more than bank-funded transfers. Now, let's be honest for a second. The biggest advantage of MoneyGram is convenience, because even if someone doesn't have a bank account, they can often receive cash through a local MoneyGram partner location. And that's one reason the service remains popular worldwide. So to wrap this up, to use MoneyGram in 2026, create your account, verify your identity, choose where you're sending money, select how the recipient will receive it, review fees and exchange rates, complete the payment, and track the transfer until it's delivered. Because, honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to send money internationally, whether the recipient uses a bank account or prefers cash pickup.